What's up, Cuckoo Birds? We got a crazy drink. I don't know if it's gonna come out. You gotta try, right? Cuckoo Bird, 2 ounces of whiskey. You can use spice whiskey. I'm brand loyal Jack Daniels. I'm a degenerate. An ounce of cream of coconut. 3 ounces almond milk. 3 ounces of pear juice. Now, depends. You want to be American? You get to go that side, or you want to embrace your heritage. Oh, Paraguay. See. And then we're making this the United Nations by, I always pronounce it wrong. My mom always corrects me. It's turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. I say turmeric.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. You go. There's no R before the M. It's like people say panico. That doesn't work. It's panico. Whatever. Let's make a drink. Let's put the juices in first. Restaurant pour. Very nice. Look at this. Cocoa Real.
Careful.
Yeah. Back in the day, we used to have to get a can of this. Now, some Coco Lopez. Now, you just get that. All right. Let's do a line of this.
No.
Oh, okay. Let's just put it in the drink. Finally, this is going to be a drink that my wife is not going to try.
Nope.
Like, no. I'm going to say that I'm going to like it.
You like everything.
I love everything. Someone gave me that shot of Mort. I said, this is good. You said, I knew he'd say that. Because I'm polite. Affable and polite.
Pretty.
It is pretty. It's color Chewbacca.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, Pazuzu, to those who celebrate. And, whoa, this has an intoxicating aroma. We're going into the swamps of the Cuckoo Birds with this drink. Whoa. I don't even know how to describe this drink. I do like it, first off, but I have no idea how to describe this drink.
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
Bold.
It is bold. It's not for everybody. The pear is very much like an umami base.
Oh.
Sound like very, I'm going to put my pinky out when I say that. Ms. Scene. Tell them, Cubbies, that you're being pretentious. Drink your fucking drink. Okay, anyway, enjoy the movie, Pazuzu.